It's beginning of January, guys, and we're having a snow shower today. It's getting cold again. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is our weather for today. It's cold. We're gonna need to wear a winter jacket and more gloves and boots. Winter boots. Oh, here is my backyard, and yes, that is our weather for today. How about you guys? How's the weather in your place now? Oh, it's getting cold here. Thanks for watching.